0, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Oh, that's real good.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Come and check.
Oh, that's real good.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Naren Vlogs and Tech. This video is all about the upgrades I'm doing on my bike, my Interceptor 650. The first upgrade I have already done is the Dynamics FuelX Pro, which I just got installed from Dynamics in the morning. Next is the NGK Spark plug kit, which comes with the racing cables, the insulator caps and the NGK Spark plugs. The, I think CR8EIX model. I've also installed the Way2Speed Air Filter. This is a dry type. Comes with the stage 2 upgradation plate, which I haven't installed as of now. I'm going to use, and then maybe if needed I'll replace the plate, right? Currently it has the same old air inlet manifold or the snorkel. It's going to be a complete service of the vehicle where I'll be upgrading my engine oil as well from liquid gun Royal Enfield to Motul, fully synthetic. Switch as well. I've waited for about 3 years plus for the warranty to get over before I'm doing these upgrades. I hope they're going to be giving me a positive experience overall. And all the unboxing videos I'll be updating. Huh? Exhaust ಹಾಕೋಣ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಯಾಕಂದರೆ
stopping me.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನೌ
English
ಪ್ಲೇಟ್
का?
ಅದೇ ಆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನೌ